Today I am back with two items from the Hermès Men's Fall Winter 2020 Ready to Wear collection. So the first item I'm actually wearing right now, it is the Surpiqure H t-shirt. So Surpiqure in French means over stitching, and you can see from the design right here, we have like a brownish orange stitching throughout the front, kind of a really subtle H here. The background behind the shirt is marine, and as I said, the brown stitching has a nice little subtle contrast there. This is a 100% cotton shirt, and if you're familiar with most of the Hermès t-shirts, especially like the spring-summer collection, you'll notice the difference when touching this or wearing this, that this is a little bit heavier, which makes sense given it's fall, winter, and a little bit cooler. This shirt also comes in white with black stitching, so if you want more of an obvious contrast, you can choose the white option. Hermès t-shirts are really true to size. I'm typically a size medium in pretty much every brand, and Hermès is no different. Medium fits very well. I did try a large on at the store and I felt it was a little bit too long, a little bit too baggy. Whereas the medium, it's not too tight. It does fit my shoulders and my chest very, very well. The length is good, stopping around my forearm. And I don't feel it's too tight. It still is a little bit loose, so I do have some room to like twist around and not really feel too constrained. So definitely true to size and very, very comfortable. So this t-shirt retails for $350 and is available both in stores and online. So now I'm going to go and open up this box. So I am also a big fan of the Hermès sweaters. And here I have one of the new sweaters for the fall 2020 collection. So I do find them to be quite comfortable. They're typically a cashmere and wool blend. This one I got because again it's a fairly subtle pattern. You can see that there's a couple of like rectangular squares and dotted lines here. And if I flip it around, you see that I have a similar pattern on the reverse. Again, I did get this in the medium because they are true to size. And I'm just going to check the tag really quick just so I give you the correct blend of materials. So it's 80% cashmere and 20% silk. So definitely it's very soft. It's a little bit lightweight than their typical cashmere and wool sweater. So definitely great for maybe fall or spring, but if you're out in the winter time, you probably want a little bit of a heavier sweater or wear a coat on top of your sweater. So this is very soft, feels very, very comfortable. Again, true to size, like I was saying. So if I hold up the medium, you can see that it fits pretty well. I can also put this on really quickly over my t-shirt as well, just so that you get a sense of the size, excuse me. There you go. So as you can see, the length is pretty good. The sleeves aren't going too far over onto my hand as it would with a large. It's still not too tight. It obviously is a little bit tighter because I do have the shirt underneath, but I still have a really good range of motion. It feels really comfortable. It's not too heavy, so even indoors where it's about 70 degrees, I still feel comfortable, wear the t-shirt and the sweater on top of it. The length is also pretty good as well. If I step back a little bit, you can see that it ends just beneath the waist. So small would definitely be too small, large would definitely be way too baggy. So again, it fits true to size. So this sweater retails for $1,800 and is also available in stores and online. So those are 2 items from the Hermès Men's Fall Winter 2020 collection. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to leave any comments below, and don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.